Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can unforget a Bluetooth device on your iPhone. So for instance, you've connected your phone to like headphones or like your keyboard or iPhone. Keyboard or mouse. I don't know why there's fireworks outside, but please just ignore it. New Year's is already over. I still don't know why they're putting on fireworks. Anyways, so to unforget a Bluetooth device, it's actually pretty simple to do. You're just going to want to connect it again the same way you did the first time you connected your Bluetooth device to your phone. So if you go to settings here and you're on Bluetooth, you're just going to turn on Bluetooth. And then here you're just going to connect it again. So for instance, you forgot this device, forget it. And then you turn on the device again. If I turn it on and connect it again, I'm going to lose my audio, so I'm not going to do that. Actually, I'll just give an example a little bit, but I really don't want to lose my audio, okay? If I just like enabled my device, I turned it on, you're just going to connect it again to that device. I don't have any Bluetooth device on right now, but you're just going to turn it on and you're going to simply connect it again and it's going to work again. So don't worry if you press forget this device. Don't worry, you can connect it again to your device, to your phone from your device. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Here I'll show you in a minute like what you can actually do, but you'll like lose the sound of my voice, I guess. And so I'm just going to turn it on, and I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth device. Oops. I think it's on low battery right now. Come on, pair. Okay, my device just went out of battery, so I can't show you. So you're just going to find the device again. Don't worry, it's going to be there. If not, just restart your phone. But my headphones, like the battery just went out, so I can't show you. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.